You hear people saying that 11x AI can replace your entire sales team, generate leads automatically, and even close deals for you while you sleep. But the moment you try it, you're not sure if the AI actually works, or if it's just another overhyped tool promising too much. Welcome to GigaBits, where we test the newest tech and AI tools so you don't waste your money. Today, I'll show you whether 11x AI is truly worth trying in 2026, or if you should look for better alternatives before subscribing. I spent several days testing 11x AI across different business sizes: freelancers, small agencies, startup teams, and a mid-size e-commerce brand. I connected email accounts, imported contacts, and ran automated outreach sequences to see how well the tool actually performs. Across tests, a few patterns appeared consistently. The AI writes messages fast, but sometimes sounds too generic. Lead generation results depend heavily on your industry. Automated sequences save time, but need fine-tuning. The analytics dashboard is helpful, but not very deep. The good news, if you know how to use it, it can significantly speed up your outreach workflow, but it's not magic, and that's where expectations matter. 11x AI advertises itself as an all-in-one prospecting system: AI-generated messages, automated follow-ups, built-in CRM features, and human-like outreach. But here's the truth. The tool works well for simple sales tasks, but its performance depends entirely on how personalized your inputs are. If you expect 11x AI to replace a trained salesperson, you'll be disappointed. If you use it as an assistant to amplify your outreach, it becomes much more valuable. Let's break down the real strengths and weaknesses. Step 1. AI message. Quality. 11x AI writes emails quickly, but raw outputs are often too generic. Once you customize tone and context, results improve dramatically. Step 2. Lead generation. The built-in prospecting database works, but it's stronger in tech and marketing industries. In niche markets, the leads are hit or miss. Step 3. Automation flow. The follow-up sequences are smooth and save hours of manual work. However, the AI sometimes repeats phrasing unless you adjust the template settings. Step 4. Deliverability. When connected properly with verified domains, deliverability is good. But if you skip authentication, emails may land in spam, a common mistake. Step 5. Integrations and usability. 11x AI keeps things simple. The UI is clean, onboarding is fast, and new users can start campaigns within minutes. Still, advanced CRM teams may find the tool too basic. Step 6. Pricing versus value. For freelancers and small teams, the pricing is fair. For larger companies, it can get expensive quickly if you scale multiple inboxes. So is 11x AI worth trying in 2026? Here's the real answer. If you're expecting a fully autonomous salesperson, no, 11x AI isn't at the point of replacing humans, and you'll still need to refine messages and monitor campaigns. But if you want a fast, reliable assistant that helps you write outreach emails, automate follow-ups, save hours every week, and keep your inbox organized, then yes, 11x AI can be very useful. It's strongest for freelancers, agencies, and early-stage founders who need volume and speed. For bigger organizations, the tool helps, but may not be powerful enough to replace a full CRM stack. If this 11x AI review helped you decide whether to try it, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We test new apps, tools, and AI platforms every week. Hit that like button if you want more honest reviews, and tell me in the comments what other AI tools you want me to test next. Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we keep tech simple, useful, and real.